Hey Bronwyn, this is Lee here. This is the custom video that I promised you guys. I split the videos in two, one on your plumbing website, and I've got a different video for the other one for you. So these are just some tips and tricks I can show you off the bat of what you can do immediately to sort of improve your online presence and get more customers to your website, and of course convert them to actual jobs. First thing I want to go through is your website. So I've got your website open here, as you can see, and I just want to compliment you guys. It's a very clean, very slick design for a website. I really like the look and feel. I do like the contact us button right on the top here, easy for people to contact you, and also the chat bar at the bottom here. The one thing I want to go over is around content on your homepage. So at the moment, it looks like you probably have about 200 to 300 words of content on your homepage. So Google recommends that you have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage. And the reason for that is when they go out and crawl your website in the evenings, they are trying to extract various keywords from your website so they can put into the Google search engine. In order to do that, they need quite a bit of content to do this. So if you have at least 1,500 words of content, then you make their job quite a bit easier to find and rank you. So just a tip, if you can increase your homepage content to 1,500 words with specific keywords, then you'll be in a good space. I went to go and look on Google as well, and I found these are the guys that are your top competitors from Cape Town. And looking at their website, I like your look and feel much better. And from a content perspective, they're also not really hitting the mark for 1,500 words, and that's quite surprising because they're your top competitor, right, on Google. So they also have only about 200 to 300 words of content. So if you get your content up to 1,500, I think you'll be in a good spot to beat these guys out. The other thing I want to look at is around the Google search results. So if I put in plumbing in Cape Town, the first thing that you'll see coming up here is the Google ads. And this is nice, right? As prime real estate, people see it quite easily, and you'll get a lot of quick traffic to your website. The downside is that, of course, you have to pay to have your links up here. So every time someone clicks on one of these links, then you're paying a small amount to Google. So very nice in the short term to get traffic to your website, but of course expensive in the long haul. The second part that I want to go through is around the Google Map listing, and this shows all the relevant businesses in the area for what you've typed in. Also very, very good to be in these top 3 positions because people can easily see your contact number and also easily find your website. Statistics actually show that between 30 and 40% of all traffic that people are searching will actually click on one of these 3 links. So very, very important to be in these top 3 positions to get a lot of traffic. So how do you get into these top 3 positions? Well, you need to increase your number of citations. All that a citation is a combination of your company name, your contact number, and your physical address. You want to get those listed on a bunch of directories. Directory, you can think about Gumtree, Yellow Pages, and those kind of things. So the more listings you have, the better you'll actually get into these top 3 positions. So I normally aim to have between 100 and 200 citations just to guarantee myself a spot in these top 3 positions to get all that traffic. The third thing I want to go over is around the organic search results. So this is what Google sees as the most relevant for what was typed in. You'll see that top competitor right at the top here that I was referring to. And it's also very important to have this be in these top 3 positions because, once again, statistics show that almost 30% of all people will click on the first link that they see, 15% on the second link, and 10% on the third link. It's actually only less than 9% of people that would go past the first page in Google. So very important to be in the top 3 positions because you'll get all that traffic and potential jobs, of course. So how do you get into these top 3 positions? Well, I'll show you that next. I use a tool called Ahrefs, and what this tool allows me to do is put in a website address like your website, as you can see here, and it spits out a bunch of numbers, and these are the numbers basically Google will see and use to sort of rank your website. So the first number I want to go through is your UR and your DR. Your UR is your trust rating. This is how much Google trusts your website, and your DR is your strength index of how powerful your website is in Google's eyes. And you'll see, unfortunately, your website, not even though it's looking very nice, it's not really trusted or powerful in Google's eyes. So these are numbers we really want to push up. The second thing I want to go through, and this is what's going to determine your ranking on that organic search result, is your backlinks and referring domains. So the higher these numbers are, the higher you will potentially rank in the organic search results. All that a backlink is really a link from another website to your website. It's basically a shout out from their website to yours. And the referring domains is the actual websites, number of websites that are pointing to your website. So at the moment you see that you're not getting any backlinks or referring domains in Google's eyes, so that's why you're probably not going to come up on the Google search result, and that's unfortunate. And that's reflected in your organic traffic, getting zero traffic from Google to your website at the moment. And that's because they're not finding any keywords on your content, because I don't think you have enough content, and also your backlinks and referring domains on there. So you're not getting any traffic, which is unfortunate. Like I said, you have a nice looking website, so you want people to find it and start contacting you to book those jobs. Um, if I take a look at your competitor, similar, put in their URL, and what you'll see is that the URL is sitting at a 3 from a trust rating perspective, and the DR at a 0.3. And this is quite surprising, right? Because this is your top competitor, and these are actually quite low numbers. So, I mean, they're very, very easy to beat if you just, maybe increase those numbers a bit. You'll see they have 876 backlinks from 11 referring domains. Also very, very beatable, right? So, also on the low side. So, they're being picked up for 49 different keywords from their website. And this is resulting in 249 people every month finding their website. So that's a lot of potential jobs that you could be getting if you just increase these numbers a bit. If we take a look at these keywords, just to take a look at what they are, you'll see they're getting found for plumbers Cape Town, and there are 600 people every month finding their website with a search term. And because they're your main competitor, almost a third of this traffic is coming to their website. So that's a lot of potential traffic that you could be getting. And you'll see similar things for other keywords here as well. You've got plumber Cape Town, plumbers Cape Town, renovations, etc. So a lot of traffic that your competitor is getting and you're not getting at this stage. So just to quickly summarize, on your homepage, see if you can increase your content to 1,500 words on your homepage so that Google can easily find you and rank you. If you want to be in those top 3 positions on the Google map listing, make sure that you increase your number of citations on those directories. And if you want to be in those top 3 positions in organic search result, then see if you can increase your number of backlinks and referring domains. So these are tips and tricks that are free to use and you can implement immediately, and I hope you do so you can get that traffic to your website and book more jobs. Please reach out to me if you've got any questions, if you want to see how I can maybe help out to sort of get these numbers up and see if we can get all this traffic to you guys. I really would appreciate just maybe a line of feedback just to let me know if you found this useful or not. I'm trying to help out a bunch of local businesses in the area, and your feedback will be much appreciated. I hope I speak to you soon. Cheers, guys.